Welcome back to X Solutions. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into an exciting topic: how to host your own website on your local computer using Ngrok. Whether you're a developer testing your web projects or just looking for a way to share your site with the world temporarily, Ngrok makes it incredibly simple. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully accessible website running locally on your machine, and anyone with the link can view it from anywhere in the world, all without needing a traditional hosting service. This is a must-know technique for developers and anyone interested in creating a quick and temporary website for demos, testing, or personal use. So, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to help others discover these powerful tools. Let's get started. Before we dive into the setup, let me introduce the project we'll be working with. This is a PHP website connected to a XAMPP database, which we'll use to demonstrate the entire process of hosting a local site using Ngrok. Make sure you have your own PHP project ready, along with a XAMPP server configured for your database. If you don't have one yet, don't worry, XAMPP is free to download, and you can easily set up a local server for your PHP applications. This will be crucial for following along with the rest of the tutorial. Now that we have everything ready, let's get started with the steps to host it using Ngrok. Next, let's set up Ngrok for hosting our local website. Follow these steps. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Ngrok. Click on the appropriate link to go to the official Ngrok website, ngrok.com. Once on the site, click on Sign Up for Free. Choose to sign up using your Google account to make the process quick and simple. After signing up, you'll be ready to start using Ngrok to expose your local web server to the internet. Let's move on to the next step. Once you've signed up for Ngrok, the next step is to download it for your platform. Here's what you need to do. On the Ngrok dashboard, choose your platform: Windows, MacOS, or Linux. You can either download the zip file directly and extract it to a folder on your computer, or, if you're on Windows, you can use Chocolatey to install Ngrok. Once downloaded or installed, you'll be ready to set up Ngrok and link it to your local project. Now that we've downloaded Ngrok, it's time to extract the zip file. Follow these steps. Locate the Ngrok zip file you just downloaded. Extract the contents to a folder in a location of your choice. For this tutorial, we'll extract it to the desktop for convenience. Once extracted, cut the extracted folder and paste it into your project folder, where your PHP files and XAMPP database are located. This keeps everything organized and easy to access. You can, of course, extract Ngrok to any location you prefer, but placing it in your project folder helps keep things tidy. Now let's move on to configuring Ngrok. Next, let's run and configure Ngrok with your authentication token. Follow these steps. Right-click on the Ngrok executable, the one you just extracted, and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures Ngrok has the necessary permissions to function properly. Now, go back to the Ngrok website and log into your account. Scroll down in your dashboard to find your auth token. Copy the token, then go back to the Ngrok terminal, where it's running. In the terminal, paste and press Enter to authenticate Ngrok on your machine. After that, type Ngrok HTTP 80 and press Enter. Ngrok will generate a forwarding link. Find this link in the terminal, copy it, and you're ready to access your locally hosted website from anywhere. Now, let's test it out by visiting the forwarding link in your browser. As you can see, when you open the Ngrok forwarding link and click on Visit Site, it directs you to the XAMPP dashboard, just like typing LOCALHOST in your browser would. This is expected because Ngrok is exposing your local XAMPP server. To make your PHP project accessible, follow these steps. Go to the Browser tab where your XAMPP and PHP project are currently running. In the URL bar, locate the part that says LOCALHOST. Delete LOCALHOST and replace it with the Ngrok forwarding link you copied earlier. Press enter, and now your PHP project will be online. Anyone with this forwarding link can now access your website, no matter where they are. To make sure it works properly, share the link on your mobile phone and try to access it. This will confirm that the site is live and accessible from other devices. Let's test it out. Now, let's test the website from our phone. Follow these steps on your phone. Open your browser. Paste the Ngrok forwarding link you copied earlier. After the forwarding link, type the name of your PHP project folder located in the docs folder within your XAMPP directory. Press enter, and your PHP project should now load on your phone, just as it does on your computer. This will confirm that your site is fully online and accessible from any device with the Ngrok link. As you can see, we've successfully accessed our website hosted locally on our computer from our phone, making it available online for anyone with the link. With Ngrok, we've turned our local environment into a publicly accessible website in just a few simple steps. This method is perfect for testing, demonstrations, or temporarily sharing projects with others without the need for a full web hosting service. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on more powerful tech tutorials from X Solutions. Also, feel free to share this video with anyone who might benefit from learning how to host a website locally. Until next time, keep exploring, stay creative, and take your web projects to the next level.